Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an avatar video using veed.io. So, go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to veed.io, log in to your account, and you can see on your home screen the option of Create Avatar Video. Click on it and it will lead you a separate page where you can create an avatar video. All you need to do is choose your avatar, or you can create it custom if you are using pro version of Veed. So go ahead and choose your avatar and write down your script. After that, click add to project, and then you can see that the avatar has been generated, and it will take some time for it to learn the script, as it will speak whatever the script has told to speak. So this is how you create your avatar video in veed.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.